What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Monday. So today we're taking a look at Tamiya's Ford GT. So let's go on unbox, see what's in the box, open it up, see what comes inside, and take a look for detail later on. Alright, let's get most stuff out of the way first. You do get masking for your windows, which makes things a million times easier to do the black trim. Very cool. You do get pipe caps for your wheels to make them sort of spendable. Alright, you get a few options of decals, and this is your metal transfers for your rear mirrors. Very nice addition here. Two decal sheets. This one has your main stripes for the car, white, red, silver, and black, and these are very high quality. Tamiya decals are visually one of the best decals out there, so they should go on super easily. It will help with Mark Assault or Mark Asset or the Mark Fit from Tamiya themselves. And you do get another decal sheet with the extra add-ons for the mesh and dash decals and the emblems. GT, very cool. You get two sets of bumble brake decals, black and white. So no matter what color you do your brakes, they should stand out between black and white. Very cool. Alright. Do the clear parts. Clear parts, as usual, as Tamiya typical, super high quality, very high crisp detail. Your tail lights, your headlights are in here. You do have to do the here's your tail lights, super high quality tail lights. That's inserts. So you do have to paint red, which is not a big deal. And you definitely see the outline where you have to paint the black trim. And they do give you big working parts, or pins, I should say, for the windows themselves, such as the side windows. Look how big this is, so you have plenty of place to put your glue mark on your headlights. You know, you got this big nip on each side, so you do have some room to put glue down, so that's always nice in your main windshield. Super high quality. Okay, you do get like a dull kind of matte finish chrome, And these are wheels, super nice wheels. If you want to keep them this chrome, I have no problem with that. These look fantastic in this. At least they're not in that super shiny chrome like what Lavelle tends to do, but this is super nice. And I'm sure you can easily ship these and paint them black or whatever color you choose to paint them. I'm not really sure what the heck that is. But very cool. Alright. One black molded tree contains your chassis, mainly your chassis parts. So super high quality as usual. Very nice quality. And let's take your dashboard right here. Only one dashboard, which is a right hand drive dash. Or left hand drive, my bad. Alright, you get one silver tree, and this contains most of your engine parts, and yes, this does have an engine, which is very cool. Not a curbside. Nice detail engine. You're not going to see much of it anyway because it's under a little compartment, but it's pretty cool how they include that. That's a nice addition from Tamiya themselves. Just a bunch of bracing for your chassis and your brakes. Tamiya makes one of the most high quality brakes out there. Your rear brakes and your front brakes, just stunning. And some of your interior parts, such as your steering wheel and seats. Again, really high quality. The seats, fantastic. Alright, the last tree contains your interior bucket and most of your body parts, if not all body parts. There's your door panels, I'm assuming, and it just has the rest of your body parts. This kit does have a lot of body parts molded separately because this is such a complicated body shape. So to me, it has molded separately to order to get its shape and form without too much mold lines and too much cleanup. Your interior bucket with center console molded in, which is very cool. Front bumper, and just your whole side panel of your car right here. And again, between had to do that just to eliminate the mold lines and just make it easier for the mold process themselves. Tail rear assembly looks fantastic. Again, like no flash because it's Tamiya, typical Tamiya. You're not gonna get any of that stuff. There's be very little cleanup you need to do this kit. Very cool. Alright, speaking of body, here's your main body. Like I said, a lot of your parts are molded separately because, like again, for the third time, save on mold lines and save on too much cleanup. So to me, why I do it this way, and for them, easier for them also to make it mold it easier too. But you can tell there's like huge end marks where you have to put the panels on. So this is going to be super easy, but to me it always makes things easier for modelers, which is always a good plus. So the body's not really much to really show, it just looks pretty good. But like I said, the body parts are all gone, so it just looks like a rocket ship at this point right now. But very clean body. I don't really see any mold lines except one right here on the fender. You can probably see it right there on both sides. But that's really about it. There's not much cleanup. Very cool. Alright, being the last thing in the kit, you need 4 tires for those 4 wheels you have. And as Tamiya quality, super nice quality tires. These are actual rubber tires, and these are super sticky, which is kind of cool to be honest. So these are front tires, nice tread pattern, no name brand, just kind of save on, price for the, copyright thing, what you want to call it, but not a big deal. And the comparison of your rear tires, fat rears and skinny fronts. Again, very nice tread pattern on both tires. Flexible, super awesome. Before I go to the outro of this video, I do want to mention Tamiya does give you such an awesome history about the whole car itself, and it's in multiple languages, so very cool. I love how they've been doing that. And also this kit, you do get a certificate, so that's actually pretty cool also. Very neat. But that will wrap up this Unbox Monday. Again, very cool kits. Again, from Tamiya. You're going to have no issues with this. Tamiya quality kits are super awesome and super nice. They go together super well. I mean, I built a few Tamiya kits already and I had no issues with any of them so far. I built a couple older ones from Tamiya and again, no issues. High quality Tamiya kits, I mean, they're super high quality. And when they mean high quality, they do mean it. That's why they're a little bit more pricier, but again, I'd rather pay more than have a crappy kit, to be honest. That doesn't go together with nothing. So I'd rather have a nice high quality kit to pay a little bit extra. But Ford GT by Tamiya, super cool kit. This came out a couple years ago. It was a big hit. It is still a big hit today. Bunch of different colors, different stripes the kit comes with. So very awesome car. I highly do recommend you getting this kit. I'll provide a link in the description where you can get yours today. And super awesome car. American car, very cool. That's so cool how Tamiya is getting to American cars, kind of, because they got a Ford Mustang out there, the race car version, so very cool. But that will wrap up this Unbox Monday. Again, I do recommend it. I'll provide a link in the description where you can get yours. And until my next Unbox Monday, and until my next video, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.